Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video. Hi! Let's first work on step number 1. Turn on your mobile phone. Step 2 is to play the 30-second video. Step 3 is to start receiving payment. One video can earn up to $5, but 20 videos can earn you roughly $100. And watching 100 videos a day can earn you $500, which is truly amazing. For fresh starters who have never made money before, it is straightforward. The good news is that this is accessible anywhere in the world for free and requires no upfront investment to get started. I'll walk you through the sign-up process and recommend the videos to watch and help you earn the most money. Additionally, I'll share some special tips enabling you to generate 3 times as much income as the average person, so pay close attention and see this video through the very end. Before we go to this video, welcome to Money Methods, where we will teach you the most recent ideas, hints, and techniques for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. And now back to the video. To begin with, I want you to go to gg2u.org. You can sign up right away for this 100% free website. Taking surveys, playing games, or even watching videos are all simple ways to start earning money. As one of the most straightforward methods that anyone can apply without prior experience, we're going to concentrate on watching videos and getting paid with these videos. The nicest part about this website is that you can join up for a free account and instantly receive a $1 bonus by doing so. Your first name, email address, username, and password are all that is required. You can see that they accept people from all over the world by clicking on this downward arrow in the country section. With this worldwide opportunity, it doesn't matter where you're from, you can still earn money online. Once all your information has been input, simply click here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click the orange sign up button to access the page where you can receive $1 for free just for creating a free account. The fact that you can receive your money and payments in a variety of ways is another reason why I adore this website. Payment options include PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gift cards. You can also receive your money via Skrill, Paytm, GCash, bank transfer, or any other payment method if you're coming from one of the nations where you don't have a PayPal account. You have many options to watch various videos online and earn money thanks to this website. As you can see, they provide a very high rate ranging from 65% to 85% as opposed to other websites, which only provides rates of between 40 and 60%. After completing the registration process on this website, you will see Welcome to GG2U. We are a very high-paying source for survey routers and also offer wall offers. We'll give you up to 65% or even 85% payout rate. For every 100 coins, you'll receive $1 in credit. On this website, you will be paid in coins and you can convert every 100 coins into $1 in real money. Additionally, you can start cashing out your money after you reach $7, which equals to 700 coins. You may start making money right away by proceeding to the following page. So just scroll down and click this Click to Continue button. You can see this after clicking the button. To get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. Once again, keep in mind that $1 is equal to 100 coins. You can see that there are a ton of offers you can complete on this website by scrolling down below. You can complete all of these offers and create various streams of money. Again, our main focus will be on watching videos, so if you want to earn money by doing nothing but watching videos like this, be sure to keep watching and pay attention to my instructions. Please scroll to the bottom of this page to find the statement. Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. If you want to earn more money, be sure to complete these offers. However, if you just want to earn money by watching videos, scroll down to the bottom of this webpage and click on the I am done with this page button. This will lead you to your account. This is the GG2U website's dashboard. After creating a free account, you are given $1, which you can see here. Once you have another $6, you can start withdrawing your money. Keep in mind that you must earn at least $7 before you can withdraw your money. You can see that there are a ton of other businesses and other opportunities you can take on when you scroll down below. For instance, AdGem, Peanut Labs, AdGate Media, and Offer Toro. These are all pretty well-known businesses that provide you with some great deals you can take benefit of to start earning money. For example, completing surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, and so forth. To begin earning money, simply click on any of these companies. I'd like to give you another illustration. Clicking this button will take you to the official AdSend Media website, where you may complete further offers to make money online. To get money, you can download mobile apps, participate in surveys, and take free trials. On a single website, there are a variety of opportunities. Simply go to this video button and click if you want to start earning money by just watching videos. As you can see, you will receive a silver token that will increase your account balance by $1 to $3 for every 200 video points you earn. So, for every video you upload, you can make between $1 and $3. The statement "earn video points by simply completing any of these videos" is seen when you scroll down below. To get money online, you can watch videos on food, viral videos, and chillax videos. These are all several channels that are available to watch. You can see there are numerous videos here when you scroll down below. You can even click the Load More Offers button. You can watch an unlimited number of videos and keep earning money in this way. I'll give one example. If you click on this orange button labeled Hideout TV Chillax, you will be taken to this page. Start watching videos on Hidden TV from here to start earning money online. Such as in this video, you can make anywhere from $1 to $3 for the video you watch that's exactly like this one. I'll give you a few extra tips that will help you increase your online earnings. I want you to go ahead and select the lower settings, which is 240p when you click on the gear settings button here. I want you to choose the lowest option because whether you're watching on your phone or computer, the best thing you can do to optimize your profits and make the most money is to go ahead and click on several videos and multiple channels and watch them all at once. They can help you earn 3 times as much money or even 5 times as much, but they also use up a lot of internet speed or your data, so it is a good idea for you to select the lowest setting. Next, I'd like to give you another suggestion. You can choose and watch several other videos here where you can earn bonus money up to $4 or $5 for every video by checking at the Viral Videos channel up next area on the right side of the section. Make sure you watch the entire video and all the videos so they may earn points and turn those points into real money. You can use any device to earn money with this opportunity for free, whether you watch them on an iPhone or an Android phone. After you've done watching these 7 bonus videos, you can simply click the next button to access the 9 additional bonus videos. This is an excellent method for you to keep watching videos repeatedly and earn a lot of money online. You can just move on to watch the next channel after you've finished watching one. You may simply keep watching the videos and earning money because there are so many of them here. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!